What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever asked yourself if antivirus programs actually work? Do we really need to install extra antivirus software just to double our protection? Well, in this video, we're going to break down why honestly we don't need any additional antivirus besides Windows Defender. This is a place to personal use, not for server. Number 1. Windows Defender is already strong enough. Back in the day, we'll talk the built-in Windows antivirus as weak. Like, why even bother with this dumb software for Microsoft, right? How about now? Windows Defender has leveled up a big time. It doesn't just detect viruses anymore. It can also prevent ransomware, protect your network, and update itself automatically to keep everything secure. It's basically an all-in-one package now. So yeah, Windows Defender has come a long way. Number 2. Extra antivirus can actually slow down your PC. Now, if you install third-party antivirus, be careful. A lot of them can actually make your laptop or PC slow. Why? Because they run in the background too, increase your boot time, and sometimes even conflict with your Windows Defender, which can be a huge headache. Number 3. Security risks from the third-party antivirus. And hey, it's not just about making things slow. Some third-party antivirus programs can be security risks themselves. Some inject ads like this one's super common. Some sell your data to other companies, and some even have their own security holes. Kinda ironic, right? The thing that's supposed to protect you could end up leaking your data. Of course, not all of them are like this. If you do need one, just be careful and choose wisely. Number 4. Windows security features are already complete. So what happens if we don't use any extra antivirus? Are we still safe? Relax. Windows has a bunch of other security features too, like smart screen to block dangerous websites, firewall to protect your internet connection, and exploit protection to stop hacker attacks. So yeah, for personal use, it's more than enough. Remember, for personal use, okay? Number 5. So when do we actually need extra antivirus? Okay, but are there times when an extra antivirus is necessary? The answer is yes. There are. If you often download software from sketchy sources, like work in the field that needs extra protection, or regularly open suspicious files, then sure, maybe get some extra antivirus. But for regular everyday use, Windows Defender is more than enough. So that's why we actually don't need third-party antiviruses for programs. Windows Defender is strong enough, but if you have specific needs, don't be afraid to install another antivirus that you trust. Okay, that's it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.